I'd like to go over how to use the model chamfer toolpath and some of the benefits of that toolpath. If we go up to our 2D gallery up here, up in the ribbon bar, and we hit expand gallery, you'll see the model chamfer toolpath here. If we select that, it brings up the parameters in the chaining menu. We can come over here and select chain geometry. And I have for the chaining, I have solid chaining on here and partial loop. So I'm going to come in here and select the beginning of the chain here and click the end here. That gives me my chain. Green check out of the solid chaining menu. I'll come down, we'll come back to the parameters over here on the right hand side in a bit, but I'm going to come down, select the tool. I have a 1/4 inch chamfer mill. If you don't have a tool there, you need to go into the select tool library and you can use the filter there. I'm going to leave the holder default, come down to cut parameters. Right now I want to make sure my compensation direction is left. You can turn on where or not, it's up to you. I'm going to put a chamfer width in here of 10 thousandths and a bottom offset of 20 thousandths. And the reason for that is on this part, I have a feature here I want to be careful I don't push the tool down too deep. It'll hit that feature. So that's why I put only 20 thousandths on a bottom offset. You could also do a top offset. I'm going to go down to linking parameters. I'll just put on a clearance of 2 inches and leave my retract and feed plane. It's fine. Green check. And here I have my toolpath. If I take a look in backplot and hit the S key, I can step through. See my toolpath run around here. Take a look. Now a couple things I want to show in the parameters. If we go back to toolpath type, we have a side clearance option here. So for example, if we wanted to avoid part of our part coming down and we didn't want to rub the tool on the edge of the part, you can put a side clearance. I'm going to put 100 thousandths just to show what it does. So if I hit the blue plus here, I'm going to green check actually to show backplot. We can see our tool here comes down and it stays far away from the part, so we don't rub the shank or touch the wall at all with our tool, right? In this case, I'm just going to put like 10 thousandths or something just to get it off the edge of the part there. And I used a larger number just to show you what it did, right? But in this case, we'll just use 10 thousandths. Green check. Take a look again in backplot. We can see it's a little bit hard with the flange here, but you can see we do have a 10 thousandths clearance there. Now, if we run this around, you could probably see we have another issue with the washer here and the bolt. We can also check that and verify. So if I go to verify here, and I turned on some stop collision conditions. So if we run this, we can see that our tool is hitting the washer here. Now, we could use a smaller washer. We might not care that the tool is cutting the washer, but maybe you have a aluminum part and a stainless washer, or you could see where your fixture actually did collide. Your tool was actually colliding with your fixture, maybe the bolt or something, and you wanted to avoid that. We'll show you how you can do that. So again, in verify, I have this stop notification, collision notification. If I hit play again, I could step through it, go up. So let's go ahead and correct that right now. So if we go back into our parameters right here, and again under toolpath type here on the top, we can come to an avoidance model. And if we select that, we can select our bolt here. If I triple click, it will grab the entire feature. Again with the washer, if I triple click, it'll select the entire feature and selection. And put a clearance on there. I'm going to just put 10 thousandths. Green check. It's generating the toolpath here. Now we can see it leads out right here without colliding with the washer and leads back in. So if we take a look and verify here, wait for that to load, hit our play button, run all the way around, we can see it leads out nicely, misses our fixture, leads back in, cuts there. All right, so this is just to demonstrate the model chamfer toolpath and some of the features that you can use to avoid your fixture or different features on your part model or side clearance. Anyway, hope this helps, and we'll look forward to seeing you again. Thanks.